You know, springtime is a great time to take advantage of one of the best produce buys at the market. Yep, I'm talking about asparagus. And although we can find it on and off throughout the year, now's the perfect time to pick some up while it's at its peak, and it's so darn reasonable. When you bring it home, keep it in the fridge standing up in an inch or so of water. And when you're ready to use it, simply hold it like this and snap off the woody end. Then we can roast it with a little olive oil, grill it indoors or out, or if you're a traditionalist like me, I like to simmer it in a bit of salted water just until it's tender. Just make sure you don't overcook it. Now all we have to do is drain it, place it on a platter, and in the same skillet, we melt some butter and stir in some lemon juice, freshly grated lemon zest, and some chopped chives. It's so simple, yet when you spoon this combo over the freshly blanched asparagus, your taste buds will be very happy. Between the freshness of the lemon, the snap of the asparagus, and the richness from the butter, get ready to say, hello, spring. To get the recipe for our lemon chive asparagus, all you have to do is go to our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh springtime kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.